Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. So today let's make this spicy and tasty stuffed brinjals with dry prawns. It's a different level of fun to have dry fish in monsoons, isn't it? Let's begin without wasting any time. I'm using this variety of dry prawns. You can even use baby shrimps, that is galmo, or even fresh prawns. I have taken half cup dry prawns, head and tail apart. I'm going to rinse them with water once and keep them aside. Let's start making our stuffing ready. In a pan, I'm adding a tablespoon of oil. To this, let's add 6 to 7 garlic cloves, half an inch ginger and 1 medium size sliced onion. We need to fry onions till it turns nice and brown. Once onions are fried till golden brown, I'm adding 1 cup freshly grated coconut. We need to roast coconut also till it turns brown on a low to medium heat. You can see the coconut is nicely roasted now. Let's add some spices to this. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon red chilli powder and 2 teaspoons garam masala. Let's saute all these spices for a minute or two. Turn off the flame and let this mixture completely cool down. Now I'm adding all the roasted ingredients to the mixer grinder, a marble sized tamarind ball, and we need to grind this coarsely with as little water as possible because the stuffing should be dry like this. I'll transfer this masala paste to the mixing bowl. To this I'm adding washed dry prawns, a small onion finely chopped, 1 green chili finely chopped, handful of finely chopped coriander, salt to taste, and mix all this really well. I'll set this stuffing aside now. I'm using 5 small size brinjals. Prefer using small size brinjals because they have less seeds and they cook in no time. I'll cut off the stems and make 2 intersecting slits like this. Leave the brinjals in the water after cutting so that they don't turn black. Let's stuff the brinjals one by one with the masala paste that we have prepared. You can see I have got all the brinjals stuffed like this. Now add a tablespoon of oil to the pan and place all these brinjals into the pan. We need to roast these brinjals for 5 to 7 minutes on all the sides on a low to medium heat. Once the brinjals are nicely roasted, add the remaining masala paste and some water. Give it a quick stir. Cover and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Stir gently in between so that the masala doesn't stick at the bottom. After 7 to 8 minutes, you'll see the brinjals have nicely cooked and even the gravy has got perfect texture. At the end, garnish with some chopped coriander, mix well and serve it hot with chapati, bhakri or even hot rice. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the recipe and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.